Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb liya'tamir to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'lu amr, commandment. Fi'lu amr, commandment. We are going to learn how to instruct others to do something in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb liya'tamir to suit the pronouns below? Liya'tamir simply means he should perform umrah. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb liya'tamir to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb liya'tamir to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb liya'tamir will now become li'a'tamir, which means I should perform umrah. Ithnan, number two. Nahnu, we. So how do we change the verb liya'tamir to suit nahnu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb liya'tamir will now become lina'tamir, which means we should perform umrah. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb liya'tamir to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach lamun and ya'un. Then we bring in a borrowed alif. So the question is, what kind of vowel sound are we going to read the borrowed alif with? The third letter will determine the vowel sound. The third letter, being town, is taking fataha. So the opposite of fatah is kasra. In that case, we are going to read our borrowed alif with kasra. So the verb liya'tamir will now become i'tamir, which means you should perform umrah, talking to a single male person. Arba, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb liya'tamir to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach ya'un to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb liya'tamir will now become i'tamiri, which means you should perform umrah, talking to a single female person. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb liya'tamir to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb liya'tamir will now become lita'tamir, which means she should perform umrah. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, a plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from three upward. Plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English, where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about muzakkar. Muzakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb i'tamir can only be used to command a single male person to perform umrah. So if there are two in number, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter of the verb i'tamir. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb i'tamir will now become i'tamira, which means you should both perform umrah. So if there are more than two, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter of the verb i'tamir. Remember, Once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb i'tamir will now become i'tamiru, which means you should all perform umrah. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the waw, what is it doing there? So the alifun is only telling you that the wawun written before me is an extra letter, but not part of the verb. La'alaka fahimت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Then we talk about mu'annas. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb i'tamiri. I'tamiri can only be used to command a single female person to perform umrah. So if there are two in number, use the same form of the verb i'tamira, which means you should both perform umrah. So if there are more than two, you go and replace ya'un in i'tamiri with nunun carrying fataha. Then you give sukun to the letter before the nun. So the verb i'tamiri will now become i'tamirna, which means you should all perform umrah, talking to a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number one. ليعتمر خالد يوم الأحد. ليعتمر خالد يوم الأحد. ليعتمر خالد. Khalid should perform umrah يوم الأحد, on Sunday. اثنان, number two. لتعتمر زينب يوم الاثنين. لتعتمر زينب يوم الاثنين. لتعتمر زينب. Zainab should perform umrah يوم الاثنين, on Monday. ثلاثة, number three. اعتمر يوم الثلاثاء يا خالد. اعتمر يوم الثلاثاء يا خالد. اعتمر يوم الثلاثاء. So اعتمر, perform umrah يوم الثلاثاء, on Tuesday. يا خالد, Khalid. اعتمر يوم الثلاثاء, perform umrah on Tuesday. يا خالد, Khalid. أربعة, number four. اعتمري يوم الأربعاء يا زينب. اعتمري يوم الأربعاء يا زينب. اعتمري, you should perform umrah يوم الأربعاء, on Wednesday. يا زينب, Zainab. اعتمري يوم الأربعاء, you should perform umrah on Wednesday. يا زينب, Zainab. خمسة, number five. اعتمر يوم الخميس. اعتمر يوم الخميس. So you should both perform umrah يوم الخميس, on Thursday. Talking to Hashim and Khalid, as indicated by the alif written after the ra. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Sita, number six. اعتمروا يوم الجمعة يا إخوة. اعتمروا, you should all perform umrah يوم الجمعة, on Friday. يا إخوة, brothers. سبعة, number seven. اعتمرنا يوم السبت يا أخوات. اعتمرنا, you should all perform umrah, talking to a group of female persons. يوم السبت, on Saturday. يا أخوات, sisters. ثمانية, number eight. لنعتمر الشهر القادم. لنعتمر الشهر القادم. لنعتمر, we should perform umrah الشهر القادم, by next month. لنعتمر, we should perform umrah الشهر القادم, by next month. تسعة, number nine. لأعتمر الأسبوع القادمة. لأعتمر الأسبوع القادمة. لأعتمر, I should perform umrah الأسبوع القادمة, by next week. لأعتمر, I should perform umrah, I have to perform umrah الأسبوع القادمة, by next week. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Now we talk about Ayyamul Usbu'i. Ayyamul Usbu'i, days of the week. Remember that Ayyamun is the plural form of Yawmun. Yawmun Mufrad. Ayyamun Jamu. So Al-Usbu is the plural form of Al-Usbu, week, whose plural form is Asabi'u. Asabi'u. Just like Masabihu. Asabi'u. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Wahid, number one. Ayyamul Usbu'i, days of the week. Wahid, number one. Yawmul Ahad, Sunday. Yawmul Ahad, Sunday. Ithnan, number two. Yawmul Ithnain. Yawmul Ithnain, Monday. ثلاثة. Number 3. يوم الثلاثاء. يوم الثلاثاء. Tuesday. يوم الثلاثاء Tuesday. 4. Number 4. يوم الأربعاء. يوم الأربعاء Wednesday. يوم الأربعاء Wednesday. 5. Number 5. يوم الخميس. يوم الخميس Thursday. يوم الخميس Thursday. 6. Number 6. يوم الجمعة Friday. يوم الجمعة Friday. أي يوم كان اليوم؟ أي يوم which day كان اليوم is it today؟ اليوم يوم الجمعة. اليوم يوم الجمعة. Today is Friday. أي يوم كان اليوم؟ أي يوم كان اليوم؟ أي يوم which day كان اليوم is it today؟ So اليوم يوم الجمعة. Today is Friday. لعلك فهمت؟ I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 7. Number 7. يوم السبت Saturday. يوم السبت Saturday. These are 7 days of the week. لعلك فهمت؟ I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clips and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.